we're unboxing the TacPack Plus.
The November box.
Yeah. Subscribe to the Milk Gamer.
JE Machine Tech.
It's a shoulder rest.
Buttstock. So first in the November TacPack box, you're gonna have the machine. You're gonna have the 3rd gen JE Marine Tech SOP mod buttstock. It's a $70 value. Has a quick detach sling mount built in. It's a high strength, impact resistant polymer that it's made of. All in all, it seems like a quality product. Has storage for the CR123A batteries right here. So these pull out. Got waterproof, watertight storage right here. It's a nice little feature. Next, you're gonna have the Concrete AR-15 stand. It's a nice little stand. Takes your standard Magpul magazine. It also takes other polymer magazines, but it was designed for the Magpul. It is a $30 value. Alright, so next is the Rat's Tourniquet. Arguably one of the most important pieces in a everyday carry kit. Super easy to use. Next, we're going to just have a My Medic gauze pack. Has several different sizes of gauze in it. Again, parted out, different safety kits. Nice little kit. I have the BCM Mod Zero compensator for 556. It's a $100 value. The Mod Zero is designed to have less side blast and noise associated with typical compensators. So that's a nice little add to the November box.
Oh, I'm gonna need to take that.
Nice fixed blade.
You mind if I take that?
SOG. The Telius FX fixed blade.
Pretty nice right there. Yeah.
The plus item is going to be the SOG Telius fixed blade. Has a nice little sheath with it. Nice little knife. It's going to be Cryo 440C steel. It's a broad shoulder 4.2 inch blade here. It is made in China. It feels well made. Send you a sticker every month.
You get a lame one.